Hey guys, this is Apple Gamer 247, and yes, today is the day. My Xbox 360 Pro is back again from repairs. Now, I know I said in one of my Xbox update videos that it would be 8 to 10 weeks. So, what I did after that video is that I called there again and spoke to some supervisor or some person, and they said they'll ship it out right away. So, here it is, guys, and I'm gonna unbox it. So, as you can see, this is the front, and when you turn it off, it's just an Xbox 360. So let me just take it out. Foam isn't as durable as so I swapped it out. And so basically right off the bat, here is your console. And let me just take the foamy thing off. And let me just see. Huh. They actually replaced it now, guys. This is a Jasper model. Holy crap, that changes my whole birthday situation. Because my birthday money was going towards a new, Xbox Arcade. But now since I have this one, no more arcade. So, without further ado, let's move this shit out of the way. Sorry guys, I'm just playing around. Since I'm super excited about this. Let me just move my camera a little bit. Sorry guys about the movement. I think that's as good as I'm gonna get. So, as you can see, brand new Jasper model 360. And what Microsoft said to me on the phone also is that if this one ever dies, they would replace this one with another Jasper one. But this is a Falcon or Jasper or whatever you like to call it. So I'm just gonna probably with my birthday money now, I'll probably just buy games for it. Because it's just a lot of money to spend on the new arcade. $200 and I'm really broke right now. So I'm just gonna slide it off. And there it is, guys. Brand new Falcon Xbox 360. And put it on the desk. And put it on the table. Also, as an update, probably this Friday, I'm gonna get Xbox 360 VGA AV cables, the stuff that you can hook it up to a computer monitor. So I am gonna hook this up and play it on the computer monitor after Friday. So yeah. Alright guys, it's set up underneath my TV. The setup is not permanent. Like I said, I am getting the VGA AV cables. So without further ado, let's bring to life my Falcon 360. Now, when you get a Falcon model, your power button on the main console will be very sticky. So please don't be shocked by it. Let me just get my controller. There you go. It's starting up. It's good to have it back. And I probably need to sync up my controller. There we go. Controller is synced up with the console. And here we go. Update required. It's the update for the new Xbox experience. And I do have to say, it is very quiet. A very quiet console. I can barely hear it. So, Anyway, guys, my gamer tag is Apple Gamer 247. Obviously, if you guys want to play me or do something, So let's guess up the language and stuff. Skip it. Choose an existing one. Done. Now I'll let you guys enjoy the opening movie. Or I think there's an opening movie. Yeah, there's an opening movie. So I'll let you guys enjoy it. And sorry sorry the first part was a little freakish. I was just really happy that it was a falcon. So obviously everything looked good. And I'm still getting a PS3 if people still are wondering. I'm still getting one. Well guys, everything seems to be working except Xbox Live. I'll just get that fixed in about 2 seconds as soon as I test the connection and stuff. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like my videos, and I will do a new a review of the Xbox 360 Falcon model, and I'll compare it to the old one I had, and I'll give you guys a full update later. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, comment, rate, and I'll see you guys later.